Hello everyone, Coach Joe here. Today we're going to be talking about the burpee exercise. But don't worry, you can do it. Today I'm going to show you how. So we'll break this exercise down like we always do, using the FTR-U method to break it down into our 5 levels. So the first level, the never before level, we're going to take it nice and easy. So we're going to come down, put our hands on the ground, we're going to step out, step back, up, and raise your hands. And that's going to be our first level. Down, step back, and raise your hands. So if you've never worked out, or if you haven't worked out in quite some time, this is the level where you'll start. The next level that you can progress to is the beginner level. This is level 2, and this is if you've been working out, but you've been working out for less than 6 months or so. So, what you're going to do is you're going to come down, you're going to step out, step back, and now you're going to jump back, up, and hands up. So that's going to be level 2. Down, step, jump back, up, raise your hands. And level 3, the intermediate level, we're going to jump out, jump back. So we're going to come down, jump back, up, and hands up. So again, that's down, jump, up, raise your hands. Now level 4, the advanced level, we're going to add a push-up. So it's going to look like this. Down, jump out, push up, jump back, up, and raise your hands. Again, down, jump out, push up, jump back, up, and raise your hands. And now we have the expert level, the final level to the FTR-U method. Now that's going to be the full burpee with the jump at the end. So it's going to look like this. Down, out, push up, back, up, and jump again. So that's what you're working towards. But that's a little bit of a hard exercise, so try these levels, these progressions, working up to the full burpee. So yes, again, you can do a burpee. Just follow this method, break it down, one step at a time. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. And remember, train hard, stay inspired, and I'll see you next time.